Hello everyone, wish you all a very happy Independence Day. I just have one question for us, for the girls, for the women. Are we truly independent? Do we get the same equal rights as men? I'm not trying to talk about feminism or anything, but the basic human rights. In the Constitution, there is a right that you have the ability to move freely. Do we get the ability to move freely? Girls are getting raped. Small kids, I would say a 5-month-old kid, a 3-month-old kid, they're getting raped. So how come we are independent? We are not. And moreover, we can't speak our own rights. In many societies, I have seen in many families, if the woman is right also, she is not considered as a valid opinionated person. Why? Because she is a woman. She can have her own opinion. Whatever the male is saying, or whatever her husband, whatever her son is speaking, even though she has given birth to him, the son, he will still say that तुम औरत हो, औरत की जगह पे रहो. Why is it so? Our freedom fighters, they didn't want this to happen in our society. They fought for a nation. They fought for equal rights. The women freedom fighters, Sarojini Naidu, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Jhalkari Bai, every one of them were so much into getting the freedom that they didn't think that after the freedom there would be such kind of things happening in the society. Our society is so patriarchal that the women, if she wants to speak something, if she wants to say something which is actually logically right, but she can't do so because she's a woman, and people will say some nasty things about her. Oh, look, she's a woman, she has a mind of her own. Yes, we do have a mind of our own. And let me tell you one thing, we do all the logical things, and plus we take care of you men. I'm not here in this video, I'm not here to tell who is better, which gender is better, which gender is equal, but I'm just telling that the rights that we deserve, that the women deserve, give them the rights. Only then you can call this nation an independent nation. So today in this video, I just request you people that, and one more thing, there are so many communal rights going on. Recently there was this rights about Babri Masjid and Ram Mandir. Why is there so much of fuss, guys? If you are an Indian, you should be happy with whatever religion. Religion doesn't matter, guys. Humanity is the main. I have been brought up by my parents by saying that you don't have to look for a person who is Muslim, who's Hindu, who's Sikh, who's Christian. No. You have to only see whether this person is a true human being. And I have kept this thing in my mind, and so I'm really thankful to my parents for this upbringing. So I really wish that everything should come to an end, this communal right, and there should be no religious issues anymore. And so in this video, I just hope that everyone gets the equal rights. It's not like the women should be better than the women should deserve more than men. No, not like this. Everyone should be equal. As God has created both man and woman, both of them should have the equal rights and opportunities. And so in this video, I just want to tell you people that let's make India a communal free nation Let's make India a safe place for the women, and let's make India a truly independent nation. Jai Hind.